Hello and welcome to yet another day of free speaking. Yesterday I shooted a video and I still want to and am continuing uh, the the continuation process of shooting a video. Uh, I don't know where to start today, but yes, like there is a like yesterday I mentioned that there is a to-do list of my everyday and that which I have to perform or which I have to do every single day because I am finding a need to just to get improved and to be better more at whatever am I doing and even upgrading the standard of my living, upgrading myself uh, through constantly or to working on my whatever thing. I just don't know what am I speaking and exactly why am I speaking. It's a very sunny morning around 8:15 a.m. and I am I just completed my workout and I'm sitting into this very beautiful pavilion of the stadium called Sambhaji Stadium, and it's very beautiful. People are playing cricket, people are running, many policemen, many police preparation doing. People are doing their what do we say, their practices and their daily routine or do you say their training so that they can give an exam and get selected to the police job. Uh, what other than that can I speak of? Yes, so just after completing, so today the thought which came into my mind was uh, when I completed my running and was doing the cool down activities or the last stretching up, the last stretch of the day after the running, I got to realize that never ever beg to anyone. Never ever beg to anyone. You just have to earn the respect. Never ever beg for respect to anyone else. Instead, you have to be capable that you earn the respect. Right? Don't be a rabbit, instead a be elephant. Try to focus on be an elephant. Right? When you are a rabbit, any crow or any eagle can come and just grab you and just finish you or just make you in the trouble. When you become a hathi, when you become an elephant, nobody just touches you. Because hathi is hathi. Hathi himself is a strong. Hathi himself is a strong. It does not matter to him whether any eagle or any crow or whatever will come. Nothing will happen because he is a hathi and no one can target him or trouble him to eat him or to do the hunting for him, right? So, like, focus on being a very stronger from inside or for yourself. Hathi himself is a hathi, whether anybody tells him or does not tell him. He himself is an elephant. He himself is a strong and large elephant. Let's say nobody talks to him. Let's say nobody comes to him. It does not matter to him because he himself is okay with, by being strong or by being this or whatever. Like just using this as a metaphor. But that's a very good analogy. Rather than like focusing on what do we say, being safe from the outer troubles and from the outer people, focus on being more stronger from inside. Safety is needed, yes. Unnecessary trouble is not suitable to anyone and is not right. But first fundamental dharma or fundamental duty is to make yourself more strong. इतने ताकतवर बनो तो तुम्हें टच भी ना कर, right? And I see many elephant sort of people in elephant type of people in my corporate office, in my office or whatever corporate life, who are so strong that nobody can touch, right? No any random guy or girl or whatever can touch you or whatever. I don't know. So you yourself have to become a strong uh, focus on more stronger and creative and curious mind. Also, I accidentally uh, stumbled upon, I just exactly don't know how to say, but I was using Twitter and just randomly a tweet came. It was saying that if you are not depressed, stop being curious. खत्म बात. अगर तुमने जहाँ अपनी क्यूरियोसिटी को मार दिया, वहाँ पे दुख आएगा, वहाँ पे सैडनेस, सॉरो, ग्रीफ, डिप्रेशन or whatever. Like in general, the overall message of that tweet was this. So when you do not have curiosity, you cannot survive the very essence of life. You need to be curious. मुझे और जानूंगा और करूँगा. Also, there was a reply to the tweet that today's generation is just totally doing binging and scrolling rather than building. You are here to build something, not to binge always or all the time, right? You just need to build something, right? First of all, build yourself. Something build outside. Let's say some business or some artistic thing, or whatever, some skill. So do not waste your time doing the binging. Rather, you focus on building something by being curious about what next. Right? So curious mind is also very much essential and needed when you want to face the troubles or the hardships of life. So there are multiple things. A, you focus on being something more powerful. B, being something powerful. B, you just need to be as much curious as you can about anything and everything. Be curious and do something. Curious and do constantly. And C, start cutting off the unnecessary charm or bullshit. Unnecessary thing which is not needed at all. Right? I have this guy who is doing the handstand, and this is what I want to do. This is I can do the handstand by standing onto the wall. I cannot do the handstand without the support of wall. That was what I was doing and needed or whatever. I just don't know exactly what else to talk about. I exactly don't know. But yeah, I was reading an article, Gujarati article yesterday, and it was about Rajnikant, superstar Rajnikant. So saying that Rajnikant is so grounded. He wears like a very village common man. He eats in a patrada, or the dish made up of, what do we say, leaf. That is what a typical South Indian people eat. He does not wear very expensive clothes. He stays on the ground, sits on the ground. He does not spend much. He is a superstar Rajnikant. He is a Rajnikant, right? Still is just so much grounded. So that shows that you of course can be a grounded person and need to be grounded. अपग्रेड तो करते रहना है लेकिन ग्राउंडेड भी रहना है. There was one sentence from Royal Deal by Prakhar के प्रवचन and he was saying like दो चीज़ें हैं अपनों के like people अपनों से छोटे लोगों को रिस्पेक्ट दो, उनको थोड़ा वैल्यूएबल फील कराओ और अपने से बड़े को एक कंपेनियन एक बराबर वाली फीलिंग उसको एक कंफर्ट फील कराओ. Then all your relationships are bloody absolutely good, are going to be very nice and you will be very successful. This is a trick. It's a trick that nobody gets to know about, gets to know more about, right? And start observing. Observation is very much needed, and I find that I do not have the good observational skill, right? And how can you improve? By questioning why this happened, how this could be. Okay, this is happening, what next can happen or why can happen. Start asking why and like imagining what else could be done, right? And you'll be ahead of many people in terms of thinking. Exactly, right? What else can I talk about? I just don't know. I think it's all within 11 and 30. Yeah, it's becoming more and more just self-help sort of a channel, but it's okay. At least I can just continue speaking each and every day, and that is what will provide a little bit of improvement to me. We'll try to read more articles and we'll we'll try to speak it out in the video itself. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.